Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Nokia keypad mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to delete alarm in Nokia keypad mobile. Friends, you want to add and you want to delete alarm in Nokia keypad mobile. So friends, now let's see how to use alarm setting, how to use clock setting in Nokia keypad mobile. One by one we will talk about. Open your phone clock setting in your Nokia keypad mobile. After turn on guys Nokia keypad mobile clock setting, you want to add new alarm. Select your new alarm setting, add option, press alarm time settings. So friends, I will set here alarm time friends 1, 2 and 12, 24 AM PM. You can select AM, you can select PM. Alarm repeat setting only Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday only. So you can schedule. Also friends, you can repeat your alarm. Okay, alarm ringtone sound you want to change. Alarm tone, select your alarm sound, you can set and you can change. Select, after select come back friends, you can see oh sorry, add alarm setting I forgot. 12:26 PM and we will change ringtone. Select, save option, select. So friends, you can see alarm will add in your mobile, and after 2 minutes you can use this alarm in your Nokia keypad mobile. So friends, we will wait for 2 minutes, and like that friends, you want to add one more alarm, new alarm. Select alarm time, alarm repeat setting only Monday, only Tuesday, only Wednesday, only Thursday, only Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You can select alarm ringtone from your music, from your alarm, and choose from ringtone. So you can select clock 1, clock 2 you want to use, so you can select. So friends, after 2 minutes you can use alarm in your Nokia keypad mobile. So we will wait for 2 minutes. Now friends, we have 1 minute. So friends, now we have only 10 and 15 seconds, and you can use alarm in your Nokia mobile. Where is alarm? Oh friends, I said alarm 12:26 PM and time is AM. I'm sorry. So friends, you want to add alarm, so you can add alarm, and you want to delete alarm, so you can delete. Left click here this button, delete alarm. Okay option, alarm will delete. Alarm all delete, select all alarm delete. Friends, you can see I don't have any alarm in my keypad mobile. Again, if you click here add option, alarm time friends, I will set alarm time here 27 AM. Save option, click here friends, you can see after 1 minute, and I think friends we have only 20 second and 10 second I have, and you can use alarm in your Nokia mobile. Wait, stop. And now you want to delete alarm, so you can delete alarm in Nokia mobile. Left button, click here, delete, delete all alarm delete. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.